Recording communications and accessing information on the go has never been easier with our enhanced CRM module. This module is packed full of functionality broken down into 3 sections. First, we have our CRM log. Our CRM log is a very simple log of all communications between yourselves, your contacts, and action points. Then we have MobileNAV, the ultimate mobile solution for Dynamics NAV. Lastly, we have our incident solution, which allows your team to log an event in Dynamics NAV. You may get an email from a customer letting you know when they will pay. Let's demonstrate recording this. The CRM log allows you to record any communication inside Dynamics NAV. You can also assign these records to staff members to ensure that they get resolved, and can also attach documents and emails to these records to ensure your staff have all the information they may need. When this has been chased and resolved, I can then mark it as closed. MobileNAV allows staff access to the most valuable business asset wherever they are, its information. For a long time, mobile ERP applications have largely been confined to areas such as warehouse management, but with MobileNAV, staff in departments such as sales can access information about their customers, vendors, sales orders, anything they would need, on the move and on any smartphone or tablet. Here in MobileNAV, you can see how we can access information quickly and can even create orders such as sales orders on the move. Even in offline mode, these can be created and then synchronized when a connection is restored. Screens in MobileNAV on a tablet would work like this. On a smartphone, they would open above each other. The addition of our incident log adds an additional level of call control to Dynamics NAV CRM. It allows any user to record an incident that needs to be dealt with. An incident itself can have many CRM logs related to it, and it can be assigned status codes and allocated to other users. The incident log can subsequently create sales credit notes, further invoicing, service management records, and act as that central control point of all customer service related issues. We can use our integrated document management module to attach documents such as emails to this incident. When this issue has been resolved, we can reopen the incident card and check the resolved and closed boxes. With our enhanced CRM module at the heart of your customer and prospect activity, it will provide easy-to-use functionality for your sales and customer service teams to access and share information, making it an invaluable addition to your business.